Well, guys, day 18. The sun is out again in full force. The smoke has disappeared behind there again, so I don't know what's going on over there, but I'm sure it's not out yet. But yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day, I believe. So, welcome to Goreback Adventures. Follow me this summer as I travel the BC Kootenays in the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Well, a little brekkie before I go, some hash browns, and I got some leftover hamburger from last night. I'm going to throw that right in there as well, and we're going to call her good. Well, I just seen a deer running way over there in the field, but I don't know where he got to now. He must have got into the trees. Well, the smoke has cleared up over there. I mean, I can see a little bit, but not a whole lot. I could change it any minute, I guess, but pretty good so far. Valley's got pretty clear, and I can't see any smoke down there anymore either, so that's good news. I'm assuming that smoke I saw last night down there was from the other fire for sure. Well, the wind just picked up a few minutes back, and I had to retie the tarp, because this is what happened to it. That one eyelet ripped right out of there. So yeah, there's where it was. So I got it tied onto the next one now, but the rope's broken, so I don't know how long that's going to last. Oh, well, today's tragedy, I guess. Well, I got the binoculars set up on the truck, pointed right at the top of that hill. So I'm going to put the camera up to the binoculars, and we're going to try this again. Kind of tried this last year a little bit, but we didn't touch on it too much, so I'm going to try again. Alright, here goes. There you go. I don't know how well that's focusing, but it's seeing it. That is hard to keep in there straight. Well, there you go. You got the top of the hill. Alright, we're going to try this hill as well. Here goes. There you go. Very cool. Alright, one more. This one all the way down the valley. That really high peak way at the end there. Let's go for it. There it is. Very cool. Well, unfortunately, I didn't get up to a whole lot today, guys. I was feeling the heat. I went down and got some cell phone signal, and I came back to camp and pretty much stuck here. So I got dinner on the go now. I'll show you a little bit of that, and hopefully we'll get up to a little bit more tomorrow. Well, it's funny that dinner kind of looks more like breakfast. We got a little bit of leftover hamburger yet. I got some fresh onion, and I'm doing hash browns. Pretty much the same as what I had this morning, but a little bit more of. Here, redo. There we go. I'd look at the far mountain back there that looks like a volcano through the binoculars, but there's too much smoke that way. I tried looking just through the binoculars. It's pretty cloudy, pretty hazy, so it doesn't show up so good.